latencies. How responsive do you want your LLM application to be? What kind of application are you dealing with, right? So before you start, I mean, I was in a customer call yesterday, actually 2 customer calls this week. We are building these LLMs, and I asked the same question, all of these questions, right? So, and most customers do not actually know what is their, what is the expectation? Are you building something that is going to be very low latency? I want an answer very quickly. So if it is a conversational agent or virtual agent or a chatbot on your website, where yes, low latency might be needed. If you have a content personalization recommendation system in production, you have to provide these recommendations in real time. Yes, you may want low latency, but if you want perhaps the job is you're doing some research. This is some summarization, maybe some kind of create these tables of all of these topics and give me a count of all the occurrences of certain words and all of that, right? So, and low latency may not be required. You can wait, right? It's creative writing, content generation. It is an internal tool. So make these decisions wisely. Very often people build these solutions and architecture is an afterthought, right? So it should not be an afterthought. Know these challenges and build a solution based on what is the expectation, how big you want the context window to be. Now, are you budget constrained or not? Latency, is this going to be something that you want it to be very interactive, or is it going to be something that can actually wait, right? So all of these questions, the sooner you ask them, the better your solution is going to be.